Your face says it all, and whether you follow good habits or skin sins, no one can escape dreaded acne and unwanted pimples. But as always, at Glamorous, we have a simple solution to this very real problem. Well, it's 2021, and we hope that eventually the only face mask we'll need is one that works magic on our skin. Whether it's your hormones that have a mind of their own, or the stress has consumed you, leaving you with unwanted acne, a charcoal clay mask has always got you covered. Mix a teaspoon of charcoal with a tablespoon of bentonite clay, along with a little bit of yogurt and a splash of green tea. Apply this cleansing paste onto your face, let it dry up for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off. Your skin will thank you for this clay-amazing experience. Acne-prone skin can be problematic. Sometimes it feels like just looking at the wrong product can trigger those angry bumps. What you need is an acne fighter to help reduce and heal your spots, and you're in luck because today I'm introducing you to Super Spotless, the simple pimple solution by Glamorous. Just dab a dot of it onto your zit as soon as you feel it appearing and let this spot treatment get to work. You can also apply a light layer of it across your face or a specific acne-prone area as an overnight mask too. It's finally time to cancel the toothpaste remedy and quit popping pimples. This special lightweight gel keeps your skin hydrated and healthy no matter how often you apply it. We've made sure to pack this with nature's most wholesome acne-fighting ingredients like tea tree, neem, aloe, tulsi, and calendula. You also won't find any skin irritants like fragrance, dyes, silicones, and parabens in Super Spotless. And the best part is, it's cruelty-free and vegan too. Nothing bottled up is good, whether it's something that's troubling your mind or skin. Letting the dead cells build up on your skin for too long can lead to excess sebum and bacteria, ending up being an invitation for acne to attack. Make sure you exfoliate your face at least twice a week with either a warm cloth or a scrub of your choice. Remember to use a gentle touch in circular motions. If you're dealing with active acne and a scrub isn't an option, you can gently exfoliate your skin with the power of lactic acid. Simply take a cotton ball dipped in milk, dab it on and rinse it off after a few minutes. We know that a ton of you have ongoing acne issues and hope that Super Spotless and these Glamorous approved tips were able to help you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.